Friends, I hope you all are safe and healthy. So we continue our study. We are in chapter 6, that is lines and angles. In this chapter, today we will learn about the topic the angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. The statement of the theorem is the three angles, there are three angles in each triangle. So sum of all these three angles is 180 डिग्री. सभी तीनों एंगल का सम 180 डिग्री होता है. तो स्टेटमेंट इज द सम ऑफ द एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज 180 डिग्री. वी हैव टू प्रूव दिस थ्योरम. इन दिस वीडियो वी प्रूव दिस थ्योरम. नाउ इन दिस theorem we have to given that a triangle ABC. Suppose that we draw figure here. This is a triangle ABC. In this triangle there is three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. We have to prove that sum of angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 डिग्री. सभी तीनों एंगल का सम 180 डिग्री होगा. तो when we prove the theorem there is 4 steps given to prove. If required, construction is one more step and then proof. So we start the proof of the theorem. The first step is given. What is given? A triangle ABC. A triangle ABC. What we have to prove? Next step is to prove. We have to prove that the sum of all these three angles is 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. And we have to prove that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Here we do a construction. We draw a line L from vertex A parallel to BC. This is the step construction. Now write the step construction. Draw line L parallel to BC from A. Or we can also write through vertex A. Okay. Now the last step is proof. In proof, here we see that line L is parallel to BC by construction. Line AC is any transversal. Therefore, angle C is equals to, here if we named this angle 1, then angle 1 is equals to angle C. Which angle is this? Alternate interior angles. Okay. Since L is parallel to BC, AC is any transversal. AC is any transversal. Therefore, this implies that angle 1 is equals to angle C. Which angle? Vertically opposite angle. Sorry, alternate interior angles. alternate interior angles. Similarly, here L is parallel to BC and AB is transversal. Therefore, angle B is equals to angle 2. If we named this angle as 2, then angle 2 is equals to angle B. This is also alternate interior angles because L is parallel to BC and AB is any transversal. Also, angle 2 is equals to angle B, alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. We named these two statements as equation 1. Now here we see that L is a straight line. Therefore, this whole angle is 180 degree and this angle is formed by sum of 3 angles. Okay. So, here we write, since L is a straight line, this implies that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle A, this angle is angle A, equals 180 degree. From equation first, we see that angle 1 equals C, angle 2 equals angle B. So, we put these values of angle 1 and angle 2 in this equation. In place of angle 1 is equals to C. Therefore, we put angle C at the place of angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to angle B. So, we replace this angle by angle B and plus angle A equal 180 degree. Here we mention the reason from equation first. From equation first, we rearrange it. First angle A plus second angle B plus third angle C equals 180 degree. What we have to prove? Angle A plus B plus C equal 180 degree and we got this. Hence, proved. Okay, thanks for watching.